Here are our top tips for helping your baby to start to enjoy solid foods. Start with mash. At about 6 months, your baby's first food can include soft mashed vegetables like parsnip, potato, yam, sweet potato or carrot. Soft fresh fruit like banana, avocado, peach and melon are good too. Start slowly. When you start, let your baby enjoy touching and holding the food. Don't force your baby. Wait until the next time if they're not interested. If you're using a spoon, wait for your baby to open their mouth before you offer the food. Offer just a few pieces or teaspoons of food once a day. Try mashed foods after a milk feed or in the middle of one and see what's best for your baby. Stay safe. Always stay with your baby when they're eating in case they choke, and make sure you allow the food to cool before you give it to your baby. Get your baby involved. When your baby's ready, they can feed themselves using their fingers, so offer them sticks of soft fruit and cooked vegetables and let them enjoy touching and holding their food and learning to chew. Moving on. Soft cooked chicken, mashed fish, pasta, noodles, toast, pieces of chapati, lentils and rice make tasty options at the next stage. You can also add cow's milk to food and try full-fat dairy products such as yogurt, fromage frais or custard. Learning to drink. Introduce a cup and offer sips of water with meals. Using an open cup or a free flow cup without a valve will help your baby to learn to sip. Staying healthy. Don't add salt, sugar or stock cubes to your baby's food or cooking water, and try to use products that don't have added sugar. Water is the best drink, and avoid squashes and fizzy drinks because they have lots of sugar added. Keep going with milk. Don't forget that your baby will still need your milk or infant formula alongside their solid food until they're about a year old. Look out for allergies. There's a chance that your baby may be allergic to certain foods, so introduce cow's milk, eggs, wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, peanut products, seeds, fish and shellfish one at a time and not before 6 months. Give very small amounts and watch for any signs or symptoms such as breathing difficulties, a runny nose, an upset stomach or a skin reaction. There is no evidence that waiting until your child is older will prevent them from developing a food allergy. Honey occasionally contains bacteria which can make babies ill, so shouldn't be given before they are 1 year old. Prevent choking. Choking can happen with hard foods, bones, small round foods like grapes and cherry tomatoes, and food with skin like sausages. Peel the skin off fruit, vegetables and sausages and remove all bones from meat or fish. Avoid whole nuts. These shouldn't be given until your child is 5 years old. Ask for help. If you have any concerns or need advice, talk to your GP or health visitor.